January 15th, 1966, the coup that changed Nigeria by untold chapters. 15 January 1966 began like any other day, but by nightfall, Nigeria had been changed forever. In a few hours, a small group of army majors moved against the country's political leadership. Prime Minister Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Northern Premier Ahmadu Bello, and other senior leaders were dead. The First Republic was over. The country would never be the same. A group of mostly junior officers, later called the January Boys, coordinated attacks in several regional capitals on the night of 15th to 16th of January 1966. Their operations succeeded in killing leading politicians and some senior officers in the north and west, while in Lagos and the east, parts of the plan failed or were only partially executed. Within 24 hours, Army Commander Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi had taken control and announced military rule. The leading conspirators included Major Chukwuma Kaduna Nziagwu, Captain Emmanuel Ifejuna, Major Timothy Onwatuegwu, Major Adewale Ademoyega, Captain Chris Onoforo, and others. Many of these officers were Igbo by origin, and several of the political leaders killed were from the north, a pattern that would shape how Nigerians interpreted the coup. But there were also participants from other ethnic backgrounds, and the coup's execution varied region by region. Within days, the coup was widely labeled an Igbo coup, a charge based on three visible facts. Many of the plotters were Igbo, most of the politicians killed were northern or western leaders, and power ended up in the hands of Major General Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi, himself an Igbo officer. That combination created a strong perception across the north and west that the coup had ethnic motives. But historians and participants offer a more complex picture. The coup plotters, in public writings and interviews, argued their motive was to remove a corrupt, failing civilian elite and to restore order, not to advance an ethnic agenda. Adewale Ademoyega, one of the conspirators, later wrote Why We Struck and insisted the coup was driven by ideology, not ethnic domination. At the same time, independent historians note that irrespective of motive, the pattern of victims and rapid political outcomes made the coup appear ethnically skewed and created fear that fed into later violence. In short, the question cannot be answered only by counting names. Intent, perception, and consequence all matter. Over the decades, several participants and later military leaders published books or memoirs that shaped how Nigerians understand January 1966. Adewale Ademoyega, Why We Struck, 1981, a primary insider account written by one of the coup plotters. Ademoyega defends the coup as a